Hello everyone, this is Shangita and this is my YouTube channel. If you are a travel lover and a nature lover, then this is the perfect place for you. Welcome to my channel. Good morning everyone. Today we are in McNonganj and this is the balcony view from my hotel. Maklanganj is a suburb of Dharmshala in Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh. It is known as Little Lhasa or Dhasa because of its large population of Tibetan. The Tibetan government in exile is the headquartered in Maklanganj. After taking our lunch, we are heading towards the main market and explore the place. Today, we are going to explore the entire Maklanganj and the Dharmshala and the local sightseeing. So, we started our journey in the morning. Kalachakra temple is right in the middle of the town. The temple attracts every visitors because of its structure. One can make a wish while rotating the wheels and can even meditate. One can even learn about the Tibetan culture from the temple. After visiting the Kalachakra temple, we are heading towards the Dalai Lama temple. But unfortunately, we are not allowed there. Due to COVID 19, some of the most major tourist attraction places of Mecklenburg are temporarily closed due to the pandemic situations. So, we are unfortunate to visiting those places. Now, we are heading towards the Vangshunak temple. Vangshunak temple is located in the village of Vangshu, which is now a tourist place given its attractions. Most of the people here are into tourism and make a living out of it. Due to this, the village has a lot of restaurants and guest houses which earns a lot of money for the village. How to reach? It is located at 1 kilometer distance from the famous Mecklenburg. You will find many means of transportation to the temple. If you have reached Mecklenburg, you can also have a walk and reach the temple. Now, the question will arrive, the best time to visit. The northern part of India is best in the winter. However, if you like a warm weather, you must visit the place during the summer. Vangsunak temple is surrounded by lovely pools and lush greenery. The Vangsunak temple is one of the oldest ancient temples located about 3 kilometers from Mecklenburg, also popularly known as Vangsunath temple. It is highly revered by the local Gorkha and the Hindu community. The two poles around the temple are believed to be sacred and are considered to contain miraculous power of healing. The Grand Temple is also surrounded by major tourist attractions such as the Dal Lake and Kotwali Bazaar. In fact, Vangsunak Temple is situated on the way to the famous Vangsu waterfalls, and thus tourists makes it a point to stop by the temple and seek the blessings of the Almighty before they proceed further on their journey. Vangshunath waterfall is among the most famous attractions of Mecklenburg. Located in the village of Vangsu, the waterfall has a height of 20 meters. It is also visited by many devotees due to the presence of a temple nearby which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. A little stretch of trekking takes you to the majestic Vangsu Falls. The route is well constructed and easy to trek. Among young travelers and adventure seekers, a cafe called Shiva Cafe is quite famous. Trekking further upwards on the route takes you to the cafe from where you can enjoy a panoramic view of the entire Vangsu Valley. Little shop and eateries are available along the path that leads to the Vangsunath waterfall. The lush green vistas around the waterfall offer some stunning photographs. The main market of Maklenganj is located at a distance of 2 km from the falls. The crystal clear water, an adventurous trail, and sight of hills makes it one of the most beautiful tourist points of Maklenganj. Best time to visit March to October. If you love the majestic mountain view, the hill, and the lush greenery, then Himachal is the perfect place for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share.